Hey y'all, it's Taya Marin and I'm back with another hair tutorial. I get so many questions on how I achieve my big curly hair, so I am going to show you how I do a quick braid out and you can see how I achieve this look, so stay tuned. I typically start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair just because stretched hair typically gives me the best results, and then I section it into 4 different sections and I'll apply olive oil hair lotion and work it through each section before I begin to braid. I'll also apply some Shine and Jam conditioning gel on my edges and throughout the part just to make them look really nice and neat, because most likely I'm going to wear these for a couple days before I actually take them out. I typically only go with 4 braids because I like the size of the curl when I do 4 braids, but you can do more braids if you like. The smaller the braid, the smaller the curl, obviously, but I like mine really big. And as you can see, I am just starting the braid and I'm going to pretty much just corn roll it all the way down. It's pretty self-explanatory, but once I get to the end of the braid, I may add a little bit of gel to the braid just to smooth it out and make it really nice and neat. A rule of thumb, so if your hair is, say, already straightened and you've worn it for a couple days, so your hair is a little bit dirty, you can still do this style even if your hair is dirty. It will probably make the curl a little bit more defined. I find that if I start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair, the curls come out a little bit bigger and fluffier. So it just kind of depends on whether your hair is a little dirty or if it's really, really clean. The curl will kind of come out differently depending on that. And the reason why I don't do this style while my hair is still wet is just because my hair shrinks up so bad. So I just want it to look really big and full and a little bit more true to my actual length. So that's why I blow dry it out to stretch it out. But I do let my hair kind of dry a little bit or let it dry overnight before I blow it out, just to minimize as much heat as possible. This is like my go-to style, especially for the summer in this heat. Nobody has time to be straightening their hair every other week. So this is a really good protective style to do in these summer months. And it's cute. Like, you can wear it multiple ways. You can wear the cornrows for a few days and then take it out and wear your hair big and curly and then throw it up in a messy bun for the rest of the week. So it really lasts me almost a full 7 days just from doing these braids, because I get multiple wears out of this one style. Once I'm done braiding, I will spritz my hair with some water. This just really helps the braid kind of set in and really lock in that curl. And then I'm going to go over it with the Nairobi foaming lotion and put it all through my hair. And then I typically either sleep on this style overnight or I'll wear it for a couple days. So I'll just tie it up at night and then I might take it out the next morning, or I might take it out in a couple days. So it just depends. When I do decide to finally take it out, I'll take a little bit of my 100% pure Argan oil by Shea Moisture, and I'll just put a little bit on the palm of my hands as I'm taking my hair out, just to lock in some oil and some moisture and to maintain frizz. And when you're taking them out, try to keep the strands separated. That will also help keep the curl intact and to eliminate as much frizz as possible. What I love most about this look is that even if it gets a little messy, it still looks super cute. Looks really fun and flirty and big, and you can wear it a whole bunch of different ways. I've worn it in a pineapple, or put a top knot and let the back hang out. So there's a lot of cute different ways that you can wear this, but I love the big, wild, messy look. I think it's perfect for summer, and it's super easy to do. This whole look took me all of 20 minutes to do. So I hope I answered all of you guys' questions about this look. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave some comments below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys decide to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram at Taya Marin Beauty. I'll see you guys next time.